How to make money online. In this video, I will show you how to start making money online starting today. I am going to share some of the best ways to make money online with you. It doesn't matter what your skill set is or where you live, there are opportunities for everyone. The good news is that it's never been easier to start making money from home. So let's get started. Step 1. Find a niche. The first step to making money online is finding a niche you're passionate about. For instance, if you're a metal detector nut, then you might want to search for metal detecting jobs online. There are hundreds of these jobs available in the USA, and if you live there, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. Step 2. Write how-to guides and blogs. Another good way to make money online is to write how-to guides and blog posts. If you're passionate about a topic, like fashion or cooking, then you can build your own website with tips on fashion and nutrition that could lead to traffic from all over the world. Many people who are looking for information in your niche will use these search engines like Google News or Wikipedia before they finally end up on your site. There are many ways to make money online with no experience. The best way to make money online with no experience is by creating a blog and monetizing it. Blogging is one of the most popular ways to make money online. You can monetize your blog through advertisements, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. If you want to start blogging, there are plenty of free blogging platforms that you can use, such as WordPress or Blogger. These platforms are free because they use advertisements on their sites in order to generate revenue for themselves. You can either allow these ads on your site or remove them for a monthly fee of $5 to $10. This will depend on how much traffic your site gets and how much time you spend managing it each day. If you have a blog with high traffic, you can get tens of thousands of dollars per day from advertising alone. Other ways to make money with a blog include selling your own products and affiliate marketing. These options will require more work than just letting ads run on your site, but they can be lucrative as well. Affiliate marketing is a type of advertising where the advertiser pays commissions to the affiliate for every sale. There are many ways that this can be done, but it all starts with finding an affiliate program that has the right products and services for your business. Affiliate marketing can work with any product and service as long as there is a commission being offered by the company. Make sure to click the link in the description below if you would like to learn how to start your own online business. In order to make money online, you do not need a lot of experience. All you need is an idea and the willingness to learn. You can create a blog and monetize it by using affiliate marketing or advertisements. You can also create your own products and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. If you would like to get started today on your online business, click the link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more great content, and I will see you in the next video.